Hi, welcome to Bobbins and Bows of Bear YouTube tutorial for yarn round the needle. So we're using 10mm needles and James C. Brett Amazon Super Chunky, and we're on the pearl side of this sample piece because yarn round the needle is usually used to increase or to create an eyelet on the pearl side of your work. So we'll get the work to the right position to show you what to do. So often it's worked with a decrease as well to make the eyelet. So that's what we'll do here. So this is yarn round the needle. So you yarn the wool around the needle back to the purling position, and you've created a stitch there. So if we purl the next two together, that'll create an eyelet. It doesn't always come with a decrease. Sometimes they just want you to increase. So you can see there you've got a space. So I'll just purl one, and then to yarn round you just bring it from the front over the needle back to the purl position, and then carry on with your next stitch. So you take your yarn over the needle, round into the purl position, and that's all there is to it. So then when you turn, so we've turned the work, and these are the holes. So then we knit back over these, and then you just knit over the, there it is, the yarn around the needle. You just knit. Like, it feels loose, but this knit stitch is anchoring it in place, and you'll see the eyelets that you've created. Then again there, you just knit it. So there, you can see the eyelets. And this is often done on lace work, so it'll be a little bit more delicate than these big holes. There we are. So I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.